Round 1, starting with a magic circle, we will chain 1, and that chain 1 does not count as a stitch. We're going to work 12 half double crochet into the circle. 2, 3, 4. We'll tighten up the ring and join to our starting half double crochet and end this round. Color selections are up to you. You can follow the chart on the pattern if you wish to follow the designer's color changes. For ease on the video, I'm going to be changing every round so you know which color is which round. So you'll have 12 half double crochet. If you're unfamiliar with the magic circle or need a bit of help, you can watch our introduction video which shows a tutorial there. We're going to work a half double crochet in the same stitch where we joined to close last round. We're going to work front loop only, half double crochet. So I inserted my hook just under, so if these are the 2 loops, just under that first loop of that stitch for a front loop only half double crochet. And we'll work a second one in that same stitch. So each stitch around, we will work 2 front loop only half double crochet. When you've worked your way around, you should have 24 front loop only half double crochet. Round 3, starting in our same stitch as joining, we're going to start with a half double crochet. So we'll half double crochet in that stitch, 2 half double crochet in the next, and we'll work that all the way around. Half double crochet in one stitch, 2 half double crochet in the next. So you can go ahead, finish that all the way around, and join to our starting stitch to finish off. 36 stitches. Round 4, we're going to start in the back loop only of the stitch where we joined with a half double crochet. So back loop only half double crochet in those first 2 stitches, and then back loop only twice half double crochet. So 2 back loop half double crochet in the next. So working around, it's a back loop only half double crochet in each of the next 2 stitches, 2 back loop only half double crochet in the next. So you can go ahead and work that all the way around as well, joining to our starting stitch at the end of this round. 48 stitches. Round 5, we're going to be working in the 3rd loop only. So normally at the top of the stitch, we have the front loop and the back loop. If we go just fold over our work, we can see this extra loop. It's especially visible on half double crochet. So we have the front loop, the back loop, and then the 3rd loop. And we're going to be working in that 3rd loop for this round, starting in the stitch where we finished off last round. So still working a half double crochet, but in the 3rd loop of each stitch. So finding that 3rd back loop, we will work a half double crochet. And we'll work 1 half double crochet in each of the stitches around our circle. So when we work in that 3rd back loop, the front 2 loops are visible across the front, which gives a nice textual element. So again, we work in that third back loop in each stitch all the way around, joining to our starting stitch and fastening off. So 48 stitches this round as well. Your work may cup a little bit on this round, but it will work itself out for the next round. Round 6, we are going to start with a standing double crochet 3 together, and that's worked over 3 stitches. We're going to be working that third back loop again, but we're also joining the back loop. So we'll insert not the front loop, insert under the back loop and that third back loop to pick up our first loop. So I had a yarn over as well. Yarn over, pull through 2. We're going to leave those 2 loops on the hook. Yarn over again into the next stitch, the back loop and under the third back loop, pull up a loop. Yarn over, pull through 2, leaving 3 loops on our hook. Yarn over one more time, insert to the next stitch through the back loop and the third back loop to pull up. Yarn over, pull through 2. You should have 4 loops on your hook. Yarn over, pull through all 4 loops for a double crochet 3 together, worked over those 3 stitches. And we will chain 3 and work the same stitch again. Yarn over, insert under the back and the third loop, leaving 2 loops on hook. Second time and a third time, 4 loops on hook, yarn over, pull through all 4, chain 3. So we'll continue to work these double crochet 3 together all the way around with a chain 3 in between. And we'll join to our starting stitch once we have worked around. So you should have 16 double crochet 3 together and 16 chain 3 spaces. Round 7, we will start in the top of the double crochet 3 together where we finished last round, and we'll start with 2 double crochet in that same stitch. And then we want to place 3 double crochet in the chain 3 space. So 1, 2, and 3. We'll continue that all the way around with 2 double crochet in the top of the double crochet 3 together. And if you find that's pulling or stretching the hole, you can grab that third back loop as well to work those 2 double crochet into. And 3 double crochet in the chain 3 space. So you can go ahead and work this all the way around, joining to our starting stitch to end this round. Round 7 should have 80 double crochet, and I'm not going to fasten off at the end of this round. Round 8, keeping with the same color, I'll chain 4 right where we left off. And we're going to work 1 treble in this same stitch. We want to be working back loop only for all of our stitches in this round. Chain 2, and we'll work 2 treble back loop only in the next stitch. In the next 3 stitches, we will make a double crochet, always working back loop only. So that's 2 double crochet and 3 double crochet. Half double crochet, back loop of the next 3. 1, 2, and 3 half double crochet. Single crochet in the next 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Half double crochet in 3, 1, 2, 3, double crochet in the next 3, 1, 2, and 3 double crochet. Two treble crochet in the next stitch, 1 and 2 in that same stitch, chain 2, and then ready to start that repeat again, starting with 2 double crochet in the next stitch. So that chain 2 is making our corner as we're starting to square this off. So you can repeat that sequence 3 more times, joining to the top of our chain 4 to finish this round. 88 stitches and 4 of those chain 2 corner spaces. Round 9, we will start in any of those chain 2 corner spaces. We're going to work 2 double crochet to start. 1 and 2 double crochet, chain 2, 2 double crochet, all in that corner, chain 2 space to make our new corner. We'll work a back post double crochet around the next 5 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 back post double crochet. Back post half around the next 3. 1, 2, and 3. Back post single around the next 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Back post half around the next 3. 1, 2, and 3. Back post half double crochet. Back post half double crochet around the next 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 back post half or back post double crochet, which should bring us to our next corner chain 2 space, where we will work the 2 double crochet, chain 2, 2 more double crochet, and then ready to work the sets of back post stitches again down the next side. So you can continue to work that sequence around the other 3 sides, joining to our starting stitch, but do not fasten off. 104 stitches. We want to slip stitch into the next stitch and into the chain 2 space to end round 9. Round 10, we'll start with a chain 3, which counts as a double crochet, and we'll make a second double crochet in that same chain 2 space, chain 2, and 2 more double crochet in that same space for our new corner. In the next stitch, which is the first stitch, it's a little bit hidden, we want to place a back loop only double crochet. and then front loop only in the next stitch. And we're going to repeat that 3 more times. So double crochet in the back loop, double crochet in the next front loop, double crochet in the back loop, and double crochet in the front. One more time, double crochet in the back loop, double crochet in the front loop. Oops, sorry, we want to repeat it once more, so a total of 5 times. So double crochet in the back loop and double crochet in the front loop. Try that once more. There we go. Then the next 2 stitches we want to make a back post double crochet. 1 and 2. Front post double crochet around the next 2 stitches. 1 and 2. Back post double around the next 2. Do that once more. So 2 back post, 2 front post, 2 back post. Then we'll start the front loop only double crochet in the next stitch and back loop only. Total of 5 times. Front loop, back loop. That's twice. Three times. 4 times, and 1 last time. Front loop only double crochet, back loop only double crochet, which should bring us to our corner stitch, where we'll work those 2 double crochet, chain 2, 2 double crochet again, and then repeating on the next 3 sides. So once you're done that, you can join to the top of our starting chain and fasten off. You should have 120 stitches for this round. Round 11, starting in any of the chain 2 corner spaces with 2 double crochet, chain 2, and 2 more double crochet. We'll work back post double around the next stitch and front post double around the stitch after for a total of 6 times. So back post double, front post double, back post, front post. So that's 3 times. 4, 5, and 6 sets of back post double, front post double. We'll back post double around these next 2 stitches. They should be the 2 back post double from last round. Front post double around the next 2. Back post double around the next 2. And then we'll work the sets of front post double, back post double, a total of 6 times. Front post, back post, double crochet followed by a back post double crochet. And we should have reached the corner again where we'll work those 2 double crochet, chain 2, 2 double crochet. So you can work that all the way around, joining to our starting stitch and fastening off. 136 stitches. Round 12, we will start in any of the chain 2 corner spaces with 2 double crochet, chain 2, 2 double crochet. We'll place a half double crochet in the next stitch, which is the very first stitch, it could be slightly hidden, and single crochet in the next stitch. We're going to skip 2 stitches and then place 6 double crochet in the next. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 double crochet all in that same stitch. Skip 2 stitches, single crochet in the next, skip 2 stitches, and work that 6 double crochet again. Skip 2 stitches, single crochet, skip 2 stitches. And then in each of the next 2, which should be that 2 front post doubles side by side, in each of those we will place 3 double crochet. So 3 double crochet in that first front post stitch, and 3 double crochet in that second front post stitch. Skip 2 stitches, single crochet in the next, skip 2 stitches, 6 double crochet in the next. Five and 6 double crochet, and we'll repeat that. Skip 2, single crochet, skip 2, 6 double crochet in the next. Skip 2 stitches, single crochet in the next, half double crochet in that last stitch, and ready to work our corner, 2 double crochet, chain 2, 2 double crochet. So go ahead and repeat that down the next 3 sides, joining to our starting stitch and fastening off. (168 stitches). Round 13, we'll start in any of the chain 2 corner spaces with 2 half double crochet, chain 2, 2 half double crochet. And then in the next 2 stitches, we're going to work a back loop only half double crochet, and that first one is a bit hidden by our corner stitches. So make sure we work the first stitch, 2 back loop only half double crochet, and then a back loop only double crochet in the next stitch. We're going to skip the single crochet. We'll work a back loop only double crochet in the first stitch of the group of 6 double crochet, and if you have stretchy yarn you can go ahead and use that third back loop as well to secure that stitch. So double crochet, back loop only in the first double crochet of the set of 6. Then we'll work a back loop only half double crochet in the next stitch, and back loop only single crochet in the next 2 stitches. So 1 and 2, back loop only half in the next, and back loop only double crochet in the next. And we're going to repeat that 4 more times down the side, where we skip the single crochet, work the back loop only double crochet, half double, 2 singles, half double, double. So I will join you after those 4 more repeats. So when we've repeated that down the side, we will have these few stitches be left before the corner. We'll skip the single, back loop only double crochet in the next, back loop only half double crochet in each of the next 2 stitches, ready for our corner of 2 half double crochet, chain 2, 2 half double crochet. So you can go ahead and work that all the way around the sides, joining to our starting stitch and fastening off. 160 stitches. Starting in any chain 2 corner space, we will single crochet, chain 2, and single crochet. And working in both loops and starting in that very first stitch, we will just single crochet in all of the stitches around, working that single crochet, chain 2, single crochet in the corner. Then we'll join to our starting stitch and fasten off, and that will complete this week's square. 168 stitches.